No intro for this video, just an unboxing and a sound test. So in the box you'll find a few things. So you have the transmitter and the receiver. Both of these actually have a mic. The receiver has it on the back, facing towards the back of the camera, and then the transmitter has it on the front, facing towards the ceiling or towards your voice, so that you can clip it onto your shirt nicely. You also get two little dead cats that attach to these. They twist in and they click in, and then you also get a carry case for all of this. But in addition to this, you get a fair number of cables as well. You get a USB-C to C cable, which is what you use to hook it up to your phone and set up the software. And you also get a USB-C to Lightning cable, which is what you use if you're on iPhone. In addition to this, you get a 2-pole microphone cable, which is what I use for my camera. And you also get a 3-pole microphone cable, which is what you would use for something like an iPhone or something that has a headphone and microphone jack combo. So overall, yeah, it's a actually pretty robust package and comes with a fair bit of stuff. Now let me jump into the mic test and just show you how it sounds. So currently I'm testing the microphone on the Panasonic Lumix, and I think it sounds pretty good overall. I reckon it's probably better than most microphones, except it's probably not as good as a desktop microphone that you would plug into your PC. So yeah, definitely good value overall. As always, I'm TechBiz, and I'm out. Definitely think about subscribing, as I'm going to make a full review in a few weeks, and that'll be up soon.